2014 Chevy Malibu. How to replace the front driver turn signal. These are the two regular headlights. And there's two turn signals. There's one on this side at the bottom and one on this side at the bottom too. So the one we're replacing is going this way, right side at the bottom, and you don't have to remove anything. You're gonna have to put your hand under this, or yeah, you can easier if you remove this. You can just turn it counterclockwise. This is gonna give you a little more space. And now you're gonna put your hand under here, and you're gonna feel like a plastic. It's like a plastic piece, and you're gonna try to grab it, and then you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. There's also this cable. That's the cable to the bulb we're trying to replace. So I already turn it counterclockwise, and this comes out very easy after you turn it. So this is the plastic piece that helps you turn. So you're gonna turn it counterclockwise, and that's how you have access to the turn signal bulb. And then when you replace the bulbs, make sure to don't touch these with your hands. You gotta use gloves, because if you touch them with your hands, the oil in your skin reduces the life of the new bulbs. This is part number. So you only just remove the old one. All right, this is the new bulb. Then you're gonna grab it again. This is gonna be maybe the difficult part. You're gonna try to feel, because you can't see. So, but once the bulb is in its place, you gotta turn it clockwise. So that long plastic piece, that's what helps you turn it, or clockwise or counterclockwise. All right. So I mean, you're not gonna be able to see, but you're gonna feel it that it's tight. So just make sure to turn it clockwise, and try to pull it and make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go. That's it. You only if you want, you can only remove this cap. Maybe you don't have to, but if you want to, maybe give you a little more space. That's it.